Ako si Clen Navarro and welcome back to We Travel. Sa totoo lang, matagal ko nang pinag-isipang gawin tong video na to. And maraming pagbabago, maraming pinag-isipan, maraming kailangan i-consider. And finally, we have decided na gawin na to. Marami tayong pupuntahan, marami tayong i-explore, marami tayong gagawin. We'll have moto camping, meron tayong food adventure. So we will visit coffee shops, we will visit places na hindi pa natin napupuntahan. Mapupuntahan natin yung mga lugar na kaya lang ng isang motorsiklo. So hindi mo kailangan na hindi mo kailangan maging mayaman, hindi mo kailangan ng mahal na motor o maraming gamit or mamahaling gamit. Ang kailangan mo lang talaga is sipag, determinasyon, and yung will mo na gusto mo talaga yung ginagawa mo. So, this is my passion. This is what I love. This is me. Si We Travel, initially talaga, virtual tour guide talaga yung goal ko. And that was actually paused, na stop tayo doon. But syempre si Lord, may way si Lord sa lahat. Ito yung way niya, and I know that this is His plan, na ito talagang gusto ko eh. Gusto ko mag-travel, gusto ko mag-motor. So, we will be transitioning We Travel into motorcycle vlog. And hopefully, ma-enjoy kayo. Ito yung gusto ko actually i-share lahat ng experiences and journey, yung before, during, and after ng mga gayak namin, ng mga lakad namin. So, i-share namin lahat sa inyo yon. So, hindi lang ako dito guys sa We Travel. Of course, kasama ko si Jenny. And meron din tayong katandem, si JC, si Gayak PH. So, sama-sama kami dito, nagagawa tayo ng content. Please expect raw camping. Good vibes lang, no pressure, lahat totoo. Also, we would like to thank all the people who trusted us, especially for our sponsors, for the brand sponsors. We would like to thank them na kahit maliit pa lang kami, binigyan nyo kami ng opportunity, and ngayon pa lang naniwala na kayo sa amin. So, we would like to thank you guys. Alam nyo na kung sino kayo. We will be posting another content for that. We really appreciate everyone na naniwala kay We Travel and kay Gayak PH. Yan lang guys, hindi ko na patatagalin, no? Ulit, ako si Clen Navarro, and welcome sa bagong We Travel. Ride, explore, experience. Let's go!